Alright, there's another item that is quite essential for your rainwater harvesting. This particular item is called the first flush. What it basically means is that the first rainwater that's coming from your gutters will first go in here, so which then helps you when you know, for dirt and stuff that's coming from your roof, that will go in here, and then it doesn't go into physically into your tank, and that sort of reduces the maintenance on your tank quite considerably as well, if you think about it. Very simple little setup. It's a 110mm pipe. You can either make it or but as it fills up the water, that little ball inside will eventually go down to here, and then of course from here the water then will rise to, and then it will start filling up your tank. Yeah, let's have a look inside just to give you an idea what they've put together. So taking it apart, this is a screw on here that basically screws on here, and then when this is filled up, you can open the tap, and then the water can then be allowed out. So you can actually use it for something else, or you can just let it go into a drain. Then we also have this ball here, which basically when this fills up, you basically then have water, then more cleaner water going to your actual tanks. Alright, so if you basically look at the setup now, is that you have the first flush here, and then you have the Gutta Buddy, which is the one that catches the leaves, and so in theory the water will go in here. Obviously this tap needs to be closed, otherwise the water is going to go out. Then the water will eventually fill up, and then once it's filled up, the water basically then will go out on the T into your tanks. So you have a filter system, and you also have a first flush to get rid of all the deep debris and whatever is accumulated on your roof or gutters. Thank you for watching.